breakfast on the side of the road.
Oh, and if you want some eggs, oh wait, they're sold out.
Bandicoot attack. Miro, frog coffee. But more important, they have toilets. Chips with gravy. That's the direction we're gonna go. No spot out here to camp. So I'm gonna go back to the coastal road, keep riding to find a place to camp for the night. I've been riding for quite a while now. Campsite spot found. In the lagoon section. I can hear the beach in the distance. This is out of the wind and protected and gorgeous. It's around 10 a.m. I woke up at 8 a.m. It's taken me 2 hours. 2 hours to get ready, but I'm off. Refilled my water bottle from a trusty volunteer. Lunchtime. It's going to be soup and sandwich in the surf. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of surf. Three roosters. Toilets, coffee, picnic. I'm in. And what's my best route?
To Derby, Scottsdale, Freeport, Georgetown. Come on.
It's better than a GPS system. This op shop just gave me a blanket. So I'm re-gearing at the reject shop. Lunch. Half a chicken from IGA. And no calamari though. It's quite jungle-ish. I'm here for water.